compassion. Sympathy and concern for others. He showed compassion to the homeless man. Perplexed. Confused or puzzled. She was perplexed by the strange question. Melancholy. A feeling of deep sadness. The rainy weather made her feel melancholy. Diligent. Hardworking and focused. She is a diligent student who always completes her work on time. Optimistic. Hopeful and positive about the future. He remained optimistic despite the challenges. Vivid. Clear and detailed. Lively. She has vivid memories of her childhood. Deceit. The act of lying or tricking someone. His deceit led to the failure of the plan. Admire. To respect or look up to someone. I admire her courage to speak the truth. Arrogant. Having too much pride in oneself. His arrogant behavior made him unpopular. Generous. Willing to give or share freely. She is generous with her time and money. Timid. Shy and lacking confidence. The timid child hid behind his mother. Abandon. To leave something or someone completely. He had to abandon the project due to lack of funds. Eager. Very interested or excited about something. She was eager to start her new job. Frustrated. feeling annoyed or upset due to inability to do something. He was frustrated by the slow internet connection. Reluctant. Unwilling or hesitant to do something. She was reluctant to speak in front of the crowd. Pleasant. Giving a sense of happiness or enjoyment. The weather was pleasant today. Unique. One of a kind, different from others. Her style of dressing is unique. Vulnerable. Easily hurt or affected. The animal was vulnerable without its mother. Modest. Humble and not boastful. Despite his success, he remains modest. Patience. The ability to wait without getting angry. He showed great patience during the long wait. Reckless. Acting carelessly or without thinking of consequences. His reckless driving caused the accident. Charming. Very attractive or pleasant. Her smile is very charming. Ambitious. Having a strong desire to achieve something. She is ambitious and wants to become a doctor. Furious. Extremely angry. He was furious when he saw the damage to his car. Delight. A feeling of great happiness. The children screamed with delight at the sight of the gifts. Fragile. Easily broken or damaged. Be careful, this vase is very fragile. Precious. Very valuable or important. Time is precious. Don't waste it.